Hi everyone, and welcome to our silo project in Uzbekistan. Right now, our team is hard at work on site installing 16 sets of prefabricated steel silos along with all the necessary equipment. These silos are specially built to store high-quality calcium carbonate. At SRON Silo, we don't just deliver a product, we offer a complete system solution. We handle everything from the initial planning and design, through manufacturing and installation, to the final commissioning. Thanks to our proven technology and years of experience, every step is seamlessly connected, so you can enjoy a hassle-free process from start to finish. The project in Uzbekistan is progressing smoothly, and we're excited to see it wrapped up soon. And we're not stopping here, we're continuously innovating to bring you even more efficient, safe, and eco-friendly storage solutions. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more updates on our project progress.